drug for their children.
A syndrome known as PANS or PANDAS is costing families $15,000 to $25,000 a year to treat. But state lawmakers are trying to mandate insurance coverage for this sickness.
Fox 59's Kayla Sullivan shows us where this bill stands right now in the State House.
Dr. Scott Antoine now treats other people's children for what his daughter Emma went through.
You have a normal, obedient, kind, responsive child one day, and it's as if they were snatched away and abducted.
His 12-year-old little girl was infected with strep, and it attacked her brain. The syndrome is called PANDAS, or in some cases, PANS.
They will get OCD or restrictive food eating, sometimes both. And then along with that, they'll typically get anxiety. They can become depressed. In my daughter's case, she had issues with severe insomnia.
Uncontrollable fears of contamination led his daughter to wash her hands until they started to bleed.
Typically, children will need between 1 and 3 treatments. Each treatment's somewhere between $15,000 and $25,000.
Most insurance companies don't cover it, but Antoine and his wife were both doctors, so they know how to talk to insurance companies. Still, he says it took them about 6 hours to convince the insurance company to pay for the treatment.
When she got her first infusion, 4 days later, these symptoms disappeared.
She's a teenager now and off to college. Lawmakers in favor of this bill would like to give other children a chance to come back from PANDAS or PANS.
This disorder is completely reversible. These children can be made whole again, and they're asking for the opportunity to help their children.
The PANDAS network estimates 1 out of 200 children may have the syndrome. I asked whether this bill could potentially raise insurance premiums.
If there were to be some form of increase, that could be just pennies. So is that not worth it?
4 other states, including Illinois, have this law. Dr. Antoine hopes Indiana joins that list in 2020.
You'd pass it, you'd feel good about going home and telling your family.
Kayla Sullivan, Fox 59 News.
Right now, we can tell you the bill is still being debated in conference committee. We will find out whether this language is kept in the legislation in the next couple of days. We'll let you know.
All right, right now let's talk about our weather authority forecast.